Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will be explaining how to make a simple graphic user based application for downloading YouTube videos. So before started explaining the whole tutorial, let me show you the project. Okay, so here it is. Okay, these are the two icons. This one is for downloading videos, this one is for downloading playlists. Okay, let me show you both of them. Here it is, video downloader. Here I will pass the link and select the format of my own choice. That's it. Here I can go back and in any case if I want to download playlist, that also I can. Same thing I need to do, paste my URL here and select the format. Okay, so let me show you an example. Okay, so I am going to download a video from YouTube. Okay, so let me copy the link and paste it here, and let me download the 1080. Here you can see the downloading done. You can see the downloading happened and my destination folder is ePython download wait, and here is my video. You can see that here it is. Okay, downloading happened and this video is here. In case if you won't believe me, let me delete it. Okay, there is no video. Let me do it again. Okay, link is already here. I just need to download. Done. Now here you can see video has been downloaded and it is here. Okay, through this button I can go back and exit. So this is what about how this application works. Now let's understand how it has been made. Okay, so let me tell you this file widget.py. This file is a backend file, right, through which the whole processing is happening, like how this video is getting downloaded, how the playlist will gonna download, everything. The code for that is written in this file. This file, that is screen.kv, is for the GUI part. Okay, so basically this entire application is built on Python, and the graphic user interface framework that has been used in this application is Kiwi, and Python supports Kiwi. Alright, so let's see. Okay, for downloading the YouTube videos I just require YouTube DL. YouTube DL is an API for downloading videos from YouTube. Okay, and this subprocess and OS, these both are the system libraries. Alright, we have used it for some purpose, like for creating subprocesses while downloading. Alright, here comes Kiwi. This is Kiwi itself. Import logging. Okay, I will explain you later that why this logging, and I have disabled it. Okay, if you can go back and see, when I was downloading a video, few lines were coming on the terminal. Okay, that when terminal was here, few lines was there in the terminal, and they were showing few things just like log generated or something like that. This is all because of this. Okay, so I have disabled them. That's why only 3 lines were coming. Otherwise a lot of things comes on the terminal part. Alright, okay, next thing is this is the kiwi.app import app. I have imported that app. Alright, let me run it again and show you what I am saying. Okay, here you can see these 3 lines was the log. Alright, okay, here you can see this out boundary is my application and I have imported it from here. Alright, builder is for building my entire application, like whatever the classes I have made for this application. Builder combine all of them and put that thing into the app. Okay, because this application is having multiple screens, like you have seen that I have done transition, again screen transition. All of this is happening by the help of screen manager and screen. Okay, and last thing that I have imported is the window. Okay, that is Kiwi core window, and this window is for giving the size for my application. Like whenever I will start, it will be of this size only. Alright, okay, so let's get start with what I have done. So in you can see in this entire application, if I go back, before this there was a screen that was a start screen. For that start screen I have created a class, then I have called this screen as select screen, this as a video screen, this as a playlist screen. Okay, this is a video screen class, and all the code has been written for downloading the videos. Okay, similarly here this is the playlist screen class. Okay, for that playlist screen. Okay, so internally how a video get downloaded, you can see that thing on Google and understand that thing, right? So this is all about the backend part of the application. Let's come to the front end part, like how this entire application has been made in terms of the GUI. So here you can see, then the screen manager I have passed all of the screens present in my application, like the start screen, select screen, video screen, playlist screen, and end screen. Done. This angular bracket denote the classes that I have mentioned in my backend code. Okay, so now all just left in this entire application is the designing part, that how will I or you will design the layout, where will the button exist, where will the text input, label, whatever. Okay, and it is pretty easy to create it using Kiwi. Thank you.